Since Logitech introduced the Powerplay mousepad last June, it seems that game accessories manufacturers have been struggling to launch their own takes on the wireless charging mousepad concept. At CES 2018, we have already seen several versions of the Mad Catz and Corsair concept, and now is the time for Razer to try it with its new HyperFlux technology. The company is starting with a couple of products, the Razer Mamba HyperFlux mouse and the Razer Firefly HyperFlux mousepad. Both are updated versions of existing Razer products, with the necessary Razer Chroma lighting. But unlike the original Mamba wireless mouse, Mamba HyperFlux has no battery on board. Instead, it's fully powered by the included Firefly HyperFlux mousepad, which gives you all the wireless benefits of a wireless mouse without the extra weight of a battery. The mousepad must still be connected to your computer. You can also connect the Mamba HyperFlux directly through a micro USB cable so you can continue using it when you are away from your Firefly HyperFlux pad.